Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question: does your earbuds EDIFIER X5 Pro support wireless charging? And in front of me I have wireless charging station and it connected to the power, so it works. We can check it at this phone. And now, as you can see, we have charging. And if we put these earbuds at the wireless charging station, we cannot see the LED light on the front side, so it means that your earbuds not charging. Also, we cannot check it at the wireless charging station. It's the same reason. So my short answer is no, it doesn't support wireless charging. Also, I tried to use reverse wireless charging and it also doesn't work. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.